Namaskar. Tell me, do you generally read the labels on the makeup products? You may check ingredients before eating food, but forget that what you apply on your skin also enters your body. The skin is our largest organ and it absorbs many of the substances which we apply on it, especially when used repeatedly or on insensitive areas. That means every stroke of foundation and every swipe of lipstick can quietly influence your hormones, your immunity, and even your mood. Today, I share 5 products which you must remove from your makeup shell and what you can use instead for a more healthier and radiant skin. First, let's talk about something most of you might be using almost daily: lipstick. You may feel that it adds color, confidence, and a sense of completeness on your face. But what is hidden inside that tiny tube is not always pretty. Some investigations have found traces of lead, chromium, and cadmium in hundreds of popular lipstick brands. These metals don't wash off easily and they accumulate in your body over time. Lead affects fertility, damages your liver, and even impacts your brain function because every time you eat or sip water, a bit of that lipstick enters your system. One thing that you must look out for is that some of these metals don't even appear on their label. They hide under the name like color additive, FD&C pigments, or even within the word fragrance. You must always check carefully for these harmful chemicals. So the question is, do you really want a chemical smile? You may also choose some organic Ayurvedic lip tint made with beetroot, hibiscus petal, or pomegranate juice. These natural pigments nourish your lips while adding a beautiful color. Next on the list is compact powder. They promise a perfect matte finish, but what is inside the powder can be alarming. Talc, which is the main ingredient, can sometimes be contaminated with asbestos fiber, which are carcinogenic. Talc also dries off your skin and clog pores, especially when you use daily in this humid climate. Nature gives us a safer alternative. Use corn flour, arrowroot powder, or kaolin clay. They absorb excess oil and give a silky finish without suffocating your skin. You can even mix some sandalwood powder for soothing effect. Many professional makeup artists they use these natural mattifier backstage because they allow your skin to breathe. Now, let's look at your waterproof mascara. Everybody likes that smudge proof, dramatic look. But what keeps this waterproof is the layer of synthetic wax and petroleum based polymers. These ingredients form a plastic like coating on your lashes. Over time, they weaken the roots, cause lash breakage, and irritate your delicate eye area. If you look closely at the label, waterproof mascaras often use names like acrylic copolymer, paraffin dimethicone, or nylon 12. These are synthetic petroleum based ingredients that makes the mascara stick but also makes your lashes stiff and weak, and the strong removers needed to take off. This waterproof mascara often contains alcohol or acetone, which further dries our eyes. That's why many women experience redness, itching, or thinning lashes. You can replace this waterproof mascara with nourishing and a gentle mix of cold pressed castor oil and pure aloe vera gel. Both are rich in nutrients that strengthen your lash roots naturally. Just apply a thin layer with a clean brush at night. You will notice thicker, shinier lashes over time. no chemicals and no tears. Another product is sunscreen. Many popular sunscreen contain and octinoxate, chemicals that mimic hormone and can disrupt your body's endocrine balance. When you pick up a sunscreen tube and look at the label closely and spot words like oxybenzone, benzophenol 3, or octylmethoxy cyanide, then that's a sign it's chemical based. Research has also shown that these chemicals are absorbed through the skin and detected in blood and even in breast milk. Actually, when these ingredients are washed out in the ocean, they also harm the marine life. In fact, Hawaii and several island nations have banned oxybenzone sunscreen because they contribute to coral bleaching. You can use natural antioxidants like aloe vera gel, sesame oil, green tea extract, and coconut oil. These offer mild UV protection and nourish your skin deep. Remember, true sun protection begins from within. A diet rich in carotene, vitamin C, and hydration helps your skin resist sun damage naturally. And finally, we come to your nail polish. Most nail polishes and remover contain what is called as toxic trio, toluene, formaldehyde, and DBP, or dibutyl phthalate. These chemicals give shine and durability but come at a very high cost. They are known to cause respiratory irritation, headache, and even hormonal imbalance. Nail polish fumes are especially risky in poorly ventilated rooms. So choose water-based or plant-based nail color that are free from these harmful ingredients. The finish may be softer, but they allow the nails to breathe. To strengthen your nails naturally, soak them in warm coconut oil mixed with lemon juice once or twice a week. It whitens, nourishes, and prevents brittleness. Every chemical-free choice reduces the burden on your liver, your hormones, and even your environment. Over time, your skin regains its natural rhythm. You will have less dryness, fewer breakouts, and more radiance. You may ask, what if makeup is part of my profession? See, actors, models, and presenters can avoid daily chemical exposures with these simple habits. Apply aloe vera or coconut oil before makeup. It acts as a barrier between your skin and the chemicals in your makeup. The lighter your layer is, the better your skin breathes. So use only as much as required. Remember, never sleep with makeup on. Always double cleanse your face. Dedicate one day each week to a no makeup day. Just let your skin heal and breathe. Drink plenty of water, coconut water, or herbal infusions to flush toxins. True beauty shines from within. So, I will give you some more yogic and Ayurvedic practice that can enhance your natural glow. Keep your thoughts gentle. Stress and anger show on face faster than wrinkles. Positive emotions like gratitude and kindness purifying not just your mind but also the look on your face. Practice exercise like gentle tapping to improve the blood flow and firmness on your face. Use multani mitti, turmeric, sandalwood, and raw honey mask. Learn and practice pranayama because deep breathing oxygenates your cells and give a natural glow. Eat more fresh fruits, ghee, soaked almonds, and green leafy vegetables. Avoid fried, stale, and processed food. Sleep before 10 p.m. Get your morning sunlight and engage in a moderate physical activities. When you reduce chemicals in your makeup, you are not just protecting your skin, you are protecting your endocrine system, your breath, and your planet. You must understand that your skin is not a canvas for chemicals, it's a living organ. Treat it like one, and it will reflect not in artificial beauty but in health and harmony. Namaskar.